Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Karina Bennett with your business updates for today. Small businesses in Jamaica have been preparing for years to access government contracts, but many say the opportunities never quite reached them. Now, with the government moving to reserve 20% of procurement contracts for SMEs, the question is whether this time will be different. The measure announced during the recent budget debate is part of efforts to make it easier for small businesses to supply goods and services to the government. That can range from catering and cleaning services to construction work, office supplies, and maintenance contracts. And for Cardell Williams, the timing is right.
The Young Entrepreneurs Association is very excited about the Minister's recent announcement to advance the 20% procurement set-aside policy. Of course, last year, we collaborated with the Public Procurement Commission as well as the Jamaica Employers Federation, and together we trained over 60 MSMEs, ensuring that they were introduced to the opportunities in the space. They are registered on the GoJet platform, and coming out of that, we also set up our own procurement registry of qualified and registered MSMEs who are ready to take advantage of the opportunities in the space.
That preparation, Williams says, was not by chance, but in anticipation of the very policy now being pushed forward.
What we want to see is a clear distinction of these 20% set-aside contracts within the GoJet platform, possible tiering of the opportunities to allow MSMEs to access the opportunities based on their capacity and size, the possible introduction of technical assistance grants to help MSMEs to access the support that they need, and also the utilization of technology to provide training and capacity building support for MSMEs to be equipped and ready to access these opportunities.
But while the policy is being welcomed, questions remain about whether the system itself is ready for small businesses.
And so as the minister moves to make the process easier for MSMEs, we are hoping that the systematic issues that make it overwhelming and costly to the MSMEs will be addressed. So the lengthy approval process, the poor feedback from the procuring entities, the heavy document requirements, the heavy emphasis on the lowest bid versus quality, the emphasis of proof of history of value of contracts versus qualifications and experience, the history of late payments, and there's the general perception of limited transparency in the process. We are hoping that these will be addressed.
At the same time, the association is continuing efforts to better prepare entrepreneurs to navigate the system. Workshops held last year in partnership with the Jamaica Employers Federation helped to train dozens of small business operators, and similar sessions are now being planned for the months to come. Williams says the focus is on helping SMEs not just qualify, but compete. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Karina Bennett.